In our last video, we discussed the R-controlled or bossy R syllable, where the consonant R controls the sound of the vowel, A, E, I, R, or L. Bossy R syllables, remember, have their own special vowel sound. They're neither long nor short. Instead, the R controls what they say. There are three major R-controlled bossy R sounds that make the bossy R syllable pattern. There's which I call the bad drivers. Oftentimes they are spelled I-R, E-R, or U-R because it sounds like these letters are slamming on their brakes. There's R, which I call the pirate pattern because these two letters, A-R, love to get together and play pirate, and they say R. And then there's OR, the OR pattern that cannot make up its mind. So when you see OR standing together in a word, what do they say? OR. That's right. I even showed you little pictures and stories to help you remember all the bossy R patterns, like the bad drivers, E-R-I-R-U-R. The letters that drive way too fast and they drive race cars, and when they have to stop or go around the turn, they slam on their brakes and they say, "Arr." I also showed you my poster for the bossy R pirate pattern, Arr. And the pattern that cannot make up its mind, bossy OR, that says OR. It can never decide what to do. We left off with some examples of the R-controlled syllable, or also called bossy R. I showed you some examples of the bad drivers, E-R-I-R and U-R, like birds, shirt, skirt, her, term, never, there it's an ending, turn, curl, and surf. I also showed you the bossy AR pattern, or the pirate pattern, that says R, like in car, star, farm, barn, and cart. And finally, I showed you some OR words that have the OR bossy R pattern, the one that cannot make up its mind, like the OR in for, Lord, corn, and more. Now, it's your turn to start to look for and identify the bossy or R-controlled pattern. We are going to do a little sorting activity. You have to decide if the following words belong in the bossy R, or the R-controlled syllable pattern, or if they do not belong with the bossy R syllable pattern. So it's a bossy R or not bossy R sort. Take a look at these words, read them to yourself, pause the video, and take your time. If you think these words belong in the bossy R syllable pattern, you can either write on a piece of paper or on your whiteboard. You can make two columns, draw one straight line up and down in the middle of a folded piece of paper or a whiteboard. And you can decide if these words are bossy R. You can write the heading bossy R on one side of your paper, or not a bossy R. You can write not on the other side of your paper or whiteboard. Read each of these words to yourself, and if they are bossy R, you can write them on the bossy R side of your paper or whiteboard. And if they're not a bossy R pattern, you can write them on the not side of your paper or whiteboard. When you're done, hit play to resume the video and see how you did on your word sort. Go ahead and read these words to yourself and look for one vowel followed by the consonant R. Let's see how you did on your word sort. Bossy R or not bossy R syllable sort. These were all the words that were the bossy R syllable. Turn, the UR says because it's a bad driver. Bird, another IR bad driver. Her, the ER is another bad driver. Corn, there you have the OR, the OR pattern. R, this word has the AR, the pirate bossy R pattern, R, and the E is silent. And finally, shirt, shirt. And the IR says, bad driver. The words that did not belong under the bossy R pattern are flex. Notice this word has one vowel, the letter E, closed in by the consonant X, making it closed and short. Flex. And trash. Again, if you point to the vowel, we have one vowel, and it's followed by, not a bossy R, it's followed by the digraph SH, making it also a closed syllable with a short vowel sound. Trash. So these two were not bossy R, they were closed. And all of these, turn, bird, her, corn, R, and shirt, did belong under the bossy R heading. So how did you do? Did you get all of them right? If not, how many did you get right? How many did you get wrong? If you had some of your words wrong, do you know what you did? Do you know what your mistake was? Try to see what you did wrong and learn from your mistakes so you can get them all correct next time. Excuse me. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the bossy R or R-controlled syllable type. After this, we will only have one final syllable pattern to review in our syllable type video series, and that will be the Consonant LE pattern. So stay tuned for our final syllable type video or videos in this series, and as always, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new.